my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tejipsar, my dear students, and this is a third standard maths class. Okay, and my dear students, as per regularly, what we have to check, we are going to check each and every lecture. What all, my dear students, each and every lecture, we will going to be checked the quote. So in this lecture we have to also check the first quote, and then after we start our session. Got my points, all of you? Okay, so first of all I am going to be present here today's quote. Okay, so let's check, all my dear students, what is the today's quote. So today's quote is what, my dear students? Never say I can't. What all, my dear students? Never say I can't, always say I'll try. Okay, all my dear students, listen carefully. What is the meaning of this quote? Okay, never you give reply as like that I can't. Okay, always you have to say, always you have to give a reply as like that I will try. Got my points? This is today's quote. And one more thing, all my dear students, take out your rough book, and I hope you all remember where we reach. Okay, and further that question we are going to be learn. I hope you will remember we are going we have completed how many question number 7 or 8. Okay, so I hope you took a book and take out your important stationery with you, keep it with you. So let's check, my dear students. First of all, put a heading over there: subject maths, standard 3rd, bridge course assignment. Okay, and see, this is all question we have completed. Also we have completed this question. Got my points, all of you? Note down the answer, all dear students. Do fast, all. Okay, so first of all we reach the question number 8. You have to write the instructions of question number 8. So note down the instructions number 8. Let's write the question number 8. Do fast, all of you. So all my dear students, do fast, all. You have to note down this question. List the month with the 13 days. What all, my dear students? List the 13 months. List the month with 13 days. Means we have to write here the 13 days, 30 days. In which month 13 days will come, we have to mention here. Okay, got my points, all of you? What we have to mention? We have to mention here. We have to mention here in which month 13 days will come. We have to write as like that things. Okay, and after complete your question number 1, you have to write the question number 9. Okay, so first of all, can you tell me, all my dear students? I hope you all remember in 1 year how many months will come. In 1 year there is a 12 month will come. Okay, and you all know which month will come in whole year: January, February, March, April, May, and June. That again I am going to repeat for you, all dear students. In January month, how many days will come? 13 or 31 days. So in January month, there are 31 days will come. So that's why we are not mentioned in question number 8. Okay, January is not coming in the list of 13 days month. Then after February, in February, how many days, my dear all students? 28 days. If leap year is over there, so one more day will come, means a 29 days. So this is also not coming the February in the list of 13 days. Got my points, all of you, what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, all my dear students. And then after March, in March, my dear students, how many days will come in a March? 30 or 31 days? So in March, my dear students, 31 days will come. So again, we are not mentioned the March in this list of 13 days. Got my point? After March, which month is coming? April. In April, how many days, my dear students? In April, there are total 13 days will come. How many, my dear students? 13 days will come. Got my points, all of you? Understood? So first of all, which we have to mention here first. Okay, in April, 13 days will come. So first of all, our first month is April. Do fast, all my dear students. Okay, and then after April is which month is coming? May. So in May, my dear students, how many days will come in May? 30 or 31 days? 31 days will come in a March. Got my points all? So that's why we are not mention the May in the list of 13 days month. Got my points for all of you, what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, all dear students. Okay, we have to mention the all things here. Understood, all of you? So further, after May, which month will come after May? June. Okay, in June, how many days will come in a June? In a June, 13 days will come. So that's why we are going to mention in this list of 13 days month. So we will write here June. Got my points? I hope you all are understood. After June, my dear students, it's coming a July. Okay, so in July, 30 or 31 days, in July 31 days will come. That's why we are not mentioned in the list of 13 days months. Okay, after July, August will come. So in August also a 31 days. Got my points? In August also 31 days will come. So again, we are not going to be a mention August in this list. Got my points? After August, which month is coming, my dear students? September. So how many days will come in the September? 13 days will come in the September. Got my points, all of you? Understood what I am telling you? So we have to mention the September in this list. So you have to write with me the name of September. September will come in this month. Okay, do fast, all of you. Note down the September in the list of all. I hope you all remember, my dear all students, what I am telling you. After a September, which month will come? Which month is come? October. Okay, my dear students, in October, how many days will come in the October? How many days will come in October? In October, my dear students, 31 days will come. So what should do? We have to mention or not? No. Why we are not going to be mentioned? Because of in 31 days will come in October, and this is the list of 13 days. Got my points? Further, after October is which month is coming? November. So in November, my dear students, how many days will come in the November? In November there are total 3013 days come. So we will going to be a mention the November here. November. Got my points? Understood? Not down the month of 13 days, month with 13 days, and then after last month, December. So in December how many days will come? In December, my dear all students, there are a total, how many days will come? 31 days. So again we are not going to be mention that name in the list. Got my points? Understood all of you? I hope you all are understood, all dear students. So do fast, complete the question number 8, and then we're going to be start the question number 9. Do fast all. Okay, so what is the question number 9? And we have to write the first question. So note down the question number 9 first. List the month with 13 days. List the month with 3130 days. 3131 days. Do fast all. All my dear students, what we have to mention here? We have to mention here month with 31 days. Okay, so again we will going to check the all months. January, how many days will come in the January? In January 31 days will come. So yes, we have to mention here the January. Got my points all of you? Do fast all. After a January, which month is coming? February. So February will come in this 31 with 31 days. No, because of in February 28 days will come. That's why we will not mention that month. After February, which month is coming? March. In March, how many days will come in a March? In March total there are 31 days will come. How many, my dear students? 31 days will come. March. Got my points all of you what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, all my dear students. You have to write with me. After a March is April, but April is also mentioned here in the list of 13 days. So we will not mention because of in April there are a total 3013 days, but we make here the list of 31 days. Now further, after April, which month is coming? After April is May will come. Okay, so what we have to do, all my dear students? May will come. So you have to note down the name of May, M-A-Y, May. In May, how many days will come in May? 31. Got my points? Then after June, so June is also mentioned in 13 days. July, further is July. July. Do fast all of you. Okay dear all, do fast all. Okay dear, and after July is which month? August. Okay, so you have to mention that name with me. Do fast all. August. August. Note down that name. After August, which month is coming? September is here. Then after the October. In October, there are a total 31 days. Then after November is here, and last is December. So in December, my dear students, there are total 31 days. That's why we will going to be mention a 31 days. That's why we will going to be a mention a December in a 31 list, 31 days list. Got my points, all dear students? Do fast. Then after we will move on further. Question number 10. Okay, do fast all. Okay, all my dear students, do fast what I am telling you. What we have to mention here? We have to mention here question number 10. Give the month that is the 6th month after. Okay, means after a 6 month, which month will come? Got my points, all of you? Understood? I hope you all are understood, all my dear students. Do fast. Do fast. First of all, what you have to write? You have to write the instructions. Question number 10. Give the month that is a 6 months after. Do fast, all of you. September. After September, we have to count the 6. After September, we have to count the 6 months, and then that month will come. We have to write here in answer. So September, October, November, December, January, February, and after February is what? March. So September to March, total there are 6 months. Do fast all. Okay, do fast all. I am waiting, all my dear students. After August, my dear students, what is the question number B? After August, we have to check here. After August, which month will come here? After August, which month is coming here, all my dear students? Do fast. Can you tell me? Okay, so August, then September, October, November, December, January, and February. Okay, August, then after September, October, November, December, January, February. Okay, so what we have to mention here? February. Got my points, all of you? This is our answer. Do fast all. So all my dear students, note down the both question all. Give the month that is a 6 month after. give the months that is a 6 month after. Okay, and first is question September. After September is a 6 month is March, and then after the second question is that August. After August 6 month, after August 6 month is after is February. Okay, and I hope is which month is 13 days or 31 days. You have to remember that it. You have to compulsory mention the both things. What you have to mention? You have to mention both things in your rough book. Okay, all my dear students, do fast all. Okay, so now I hope you have completed this question number 10. Now we will move on further question number 11. So let's check all dear students what is the question number 11. Question number 11 is that solve the word problem. So before writing the answer, question number 11 is solve the word problem. First you have to write the instruction. What is the instructions? Solve the word problem. First question I am going to explain you here. Okay, and we will going to be solve in the next session all solve the word problems, and how to solve the word problems or application in real life. That all points we will going to be discussed in the next lecture. But you have to write, we have to solve only the first question A. Name of the one boy here is Abdul, spent a rupees 38.15 at the fair. His sister spent a rupees 12.25 less than him. So how much did his sister spend? Here the name of one boy, and he is going to be spent 38.15 at a time. Okay, at the fair. And his sister, Abdul's sister, is spent 12.25 rupees less than him. So what we have to find here? We have to find here how much did his sister spend. Okay, so what we have to do now? You getting the idea? We have to do here the subtraction, means minus. Okay, so first of all we have to write as like that. Abdul spent how much rupees, all my dear students? Abdul spent 38.15 rupees. Okay, and his sister spent how much, all dear students? 12.25. Got my points? All dear students, we have to write as like that. Understood all of you? We have to write as like that. Now we have to do the what we have to do here? Subtract. Got my points, all of you? So 0 minus 5, is this possible? No, all my dear students. I am going to be take the borrow 10. I put the 10 minus 5. So how many, my dear all students? 5. Do fast all of you. Then after we will going to be cut the further digit. We have to cut the 5 What we have to cut, all my dear students? We have to cut the 5. Put the small digit 4. Okay, 4 minus 2. So how many, all my dear students? 2. And further we will going to be a put what we will going to be put a 2 as it is. Okay, what we will going to be put, we will going to be a put a 2 as it is, sorry, point as it is. First 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and a point will be put as it is. Then after 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2, so how many, all my dear students? 6. Okay, and then what is the next step? 3 minus 1, so 2. Got my points? Then after 2, so answer is what? 26.25. Answer is what, all my dear students? 26.25. Got my points, all of you? I hope you all are understood, all my dear students. We have to do as like that. Okay, understood all of you? So the answer is what? 26.25. So we have to write the answer as like that. Abdul's sister spent a 26.25 rupees. How much he spent? Abdul's sister spent a 26.25 rupees. Got my points, all of you? Understood? So note down this sum in your book, and further the all solve the word problems, all word problems we will going to be solved in the next lecture. Got my points, all dear students? Okay, so thank you so much, my dear students. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, thank you all of you.